गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स।
आज हम लोग ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियोज का डिफरेंट एंगल्स का वैल्यू निकालना, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज ऑफ डिफरेंट टी रेशियोज, so we'll learn that today. So we apply two rules for that. First one is rule 1, to convert any given angle to n pi by 2 plus minus theta.
So whatever the angle is given to you, you have to convert that to this format. So in this case, you can find your n pi by 2 means 90 degree, then plus minus theta. So this theta will be always less than 90 degree, that is acute angle. So in this case, suppose we are given an angle of 135 degree. So I can write this one as 90 degree plus 45 degree. So in this case, your n value will be 1. So this is the first rule. We have to convert the given angle into this format, and we need to find out n and this theta. So if this n is odd, then the t ratios values will be changed. So how that will get changed? Now sine will be changed to cos, and cos will be changed to sine. Similarly, tan to cot, cot to tan, sec to cosec, and cosec to sec. So this is the first rule. So for example, suppose we are given an angle of sine 315 degree. So first step is I have to convert this 315 degree to 3 into 90 plus 45 degree. So that is 270 plus 45. So this becomes 315 degree. So in this case, this n is odd. So as per the rule, if n is odd, then the t ratios value will be changing. So from sine to cos. So this will be cos 45 degree. So this is your first rule. In case your n is even, then there will be no change. There will be no change. No change means sine will be sine only, cos will be cos, in similar manner. So now the first rule is clear. Now for second rule is about ASTC rule. So what it means? Now after school, tea or coffee. So it explains that for different values of angles, we have total 4 quadrants. So similarly, if the angle value increases, then we can rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So this will be first quadrant, this will be second quadrant, this will be third quadrant, and this will be fourth quadrant. So in this case, suppose in our previous example, that was sine 315 degree. So by applying the first rule, we had this n even odd, so this will be cos 45 degree. Now we have to put this ASTC rule. So ASTC rule means A for all, S for sine and cosec, T for tan and cot, and C for cos and sec. So that means if the value of the angle lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. So this is in first quadrant. So in first quadrant, all the t ratios will be positive. But if that value lies in second quadrant, then only sine and cos x, these t ratios will be positive. Otherwise, all other t ratios will be negative. So in the similar manner, if we put this rule in this example, we will get 315 degree lies in fourth quadrant. So in this quadrant, cos and sec are positive. So here we have sine, so this will be negative. So finally we find sine 315 degree is equivalent to minus cos 45 degree, and this value will be minus 1 by root 2. So this is very easy and applicable for physics. So whenever we are solving any problem in physics, we need to find out the value of different t ratios, and by applying these rule 1 and rule 2, we can evaluate the value easily. So I think it is clear to you all. So this is very vital tool to solve the physical problems. Thank you, students.